Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine Amazon gift cards into one balance so you can use them more conveniently. Many people receive multiple Amazon gift cards and wonder if they can merge them into one. While Amazon doesn't allow you to combine gift cards into a single new card, there's a simple way to get the same result by redeeming them into your Amazon account balance. To do this, log into your Amazon account and go to the gift card section. You'll see an option to redeem a gift card. Enter the claim code from each of your gift cards one at a time and click Apply to your balance. This will add the amount from each card to your total Amazon balance, effectively combining all your gift cards. Once all the cards are redeemed, you can check your total balance under the gift card balance section. When you make a purchase, Amazon will automatically apply your combined balance at checkout. If the total cost of your order is more than your balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method like a credit or debit card. This method ensures you can use multiple gift cards without any hassle. Keep in mind that once a gift card is added to your account, it cannot be transferred to another account or converted back into a physical or digital card. Also, be cautious of scams. Only enter your gift card codes on Amazon's official website or app to avoid fraud. I hope this video helped you understand how to combine Amazon gift cards into one balance easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.